this next one, no other display team in the world does its formation flying from 4 aircraft at 0 miles an hour. What they'll do is they'll pull up into the vertical, the speed will drop, and they will stall towards each other. There's probably about 8 foot between the wingtips here in this one. It's an iconic manoeuvre. This is called the Blades Hammerhead. Now straight into line and stern formation, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 planes follow the leader. They'll get themselves ready for the next one, and it's very, very important too. Testament to our RAF heritage, and also a testament to this brave few that fought in the Great Battle of Britain. It speaks for itself, it's beautiful, it's called the Spitfire Roll.